Hello, this is Patrick Leroyas, and today I'll be teaching you how to use BBCode with rich text labels. If you don't know what BBCode is, it's just a tool that's really handy in Godot that allows you to do really neat text effects and stuff with code, and that'll make your life really, really easy and allow you to make super dynamic dialogue systems and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. As you can see, all I've got here is just a very basic scene with nothing too much in it. Just the only thing that has a script is this rich text label, and I'm just going to open that up. And as you can see, there's nothing in this script. So first off, I'm just going to show you how to put text into the rich text label. So I'm going to go append text, and then I am going to just say hello world or hello word for a second. Okay, now let's run this and see what it looks like. Okay, this text is kind of small and like kind of boring looking. So if we want to spice it up, we could either do a theme or we could use some BB code to like spice it up ourselves. So first off, let's just make it bigger. So to make it bigger, we can go push font size. And then let's just make this font size 20. And that'll make it bigger and run it. And now the text is bigger and a little easier to read. We can just kind of ramp this number to whatever. So like, let's go 60. Run it again, much bigger. I'm going to put this down to 40 and then continue. Now I'm going to show you how to do Intex tags. So this will automatically put a tag into the stack for the BB code. We can do that ourselves in this append text label. So let's say we want to change the color. So we can go color and we'll set that equal to blue. And then we'll just close this color tag here. So slash color. And that'll make this text blue. And as you can see, we've now got blue text. We can also mix and match these tags as well. So let's italicize the word world. So we can go I for italicize. And then there's one thing that you got to know with BB code is you have to close the tags in order. So like the most recent tag, you have to close first before you can close any of the later tags. So since my most recent tag is I would have to close it first here, so slash I, rather than doing it out here, or we'll just get a mess. So I'll actually just show you what it looks like if we close them out of order. And as you can see, we just get this color and it's italicized and it's not good. But if we move this italicized here and run it again, it works correctly now. Hello, italicized world. Okay, so now we know how to use these pushing and the append to use the inline BB code. So we can just also push more things to it. So we can just say push bold, and these will go in order. So now if we append text, and text, let's just say it's a new day. And so now this will say hello world, this will be blue, the world will be italicized, and this will be bolded. So now to check that, let's run it. Hello world, it's a new day. Now we can pop this bold tag by just typing pop, and that'll close the most recently opened tag. So like, I'll just say append text. How are you? See, it just got rid of the bolding on the text. Now I'm going to show you how to put images into our text. So first off, I'm just going to make a color white, and I'm going to set that to new color, and then I'm just going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. Now I'm going to go and get an image. So image, and I'm going to just call it img is equal to new image. Now I'm going to load an image. So I'm going to go error is equal to image.load. And now I'm going to have to go and get the path of the image. I'm just going to get this icon's path. So I'm going to right click it, copy path, paste it into here. And now now I'm going to say if error does not equal error.ok, return. So if it didn't work, return. Now I'm going to say image texture is equal to new image texture. Now I'm going to say texture dot set image, and we're just going to pass in the image we made or we got. Now to put this image into the text, all we got to do is go add image, and we just say texture, and then we can set its size. So go 50 by 50, so it'll be 50 pixels by 50 pixels. We can set the color of the image. So normally it's blue, but we can also set it to like an HTML color. So I'm going to go color dot from string, and I'm going to go and get an HTML color. I'm just going to set this to like a dark green, copy this, paste it in here. And then I'm just going to put white as our fallback color. So it'll just be a normal looking image if we weren't able to change the color ourselves through this. So now let's run this. And there we go. We've got our image in there. But now what if we want to place like some cool effects on it, like make the words shake and stuff like that? Well, how are we going to go about doing that? Well, we can go and say, let's do this at the top actually. Let's go append text, and let's say shake and set the rate. So this is like how fast it shakes, and let's set the rate to 20.0, and let's set the level. So this is how much they shake, to 15, and then we'll say connected, which means that if the letters are like connected to each other, that they will stay connected to each other. But when they're shaking, but like if they're not connected to each other by stuff, they'll move independently. So we'll just leave them connected. So let's do that. And now all the words will shake or not. Okay, so I figured out why I wasn't shaking. For some reason, it's because I had the push font size above it. But if I put the shake above the font size, it seems to be working for me now. Unsure of why, but you can just shake groups of letters, but I'm shaking the whole thing. But as you can see here, all our letters are now shaking. Okay, now we can also make our letters wave. So we can go append text, whoops, and go wave, and then amp. So the size of the wave we'll set to 50.0. And then the frequency, so this is the amount of waves, I think, per second, we will set to 25.0, and then we'll just set connected to 1 as 1, or to 1 as well. So connected is equal to 1. There you go. We've got hello world, it's a new day. And there we go. You now know how to use BBCode. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.